Hello 7th class, how are you? Today's lesson is on the map. And we have to do map of Australia. If you will get the map, political map of Australia with the boundary lines, then it will be very easy for you to write the name of the states and the territories. Okay. So as you know, this is Western Australia. On the west part, Western Australia. Australia. Okay. So this is west, east, north, south. Okay. Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia, Queensland, Queensland is also a big state. First Western Australia, then Queensland. This is New South Wales. This is Canberra. Canberra also Union Territory and also the capital of Australia. This is Victoria. This is Tasmania. You remember the capital of Western Australia capital is Perth on this point. Northern Territory capital is Darwin here. Okay. Queensland, Brisbane. New South Wales, Sydney. Victoria capital, Melbourne also down here. Tasmania, Hobart. Okay. You must remember the name of the capital also. So if you get it with the boundary lines, it is very easy for you. But if you don't get with boundary lines, if you will get like this map without boundary lines in between, okay, if you will get map, physical map, so it is difficult for you. But in Australia we have only six states, so it will easy also if you will keep some objects or some important point. Like here you can see it's like a bird, so you keep this point in mind and like this, and from here to down up to this is arc, this is Nullarbor Plains. Okay, so if you will know straight line, draw it here up to in this arc. So this is all our Western Australia. Okay, Western Australia, no part, so it is all Western Australia. And now line of Capricorn also passes through the Australia. So keep it in mind, this is like a open triangle. It's not covered, like a small triangle here. From that small triangle, you can draw dotted line and draw the line, dotted line like that. So it will divide the map into two equal parts. If you will see, I have drawn this line, dotted line, and you see it's due to this line we can see two parts of Australia, northern and southern part, but western part is like this. So this one is our Northern Territory, but Northern Territory we will have, this is line of Capricorn. Okay, this is line of Capricorn, we can write it here, line of Capricorn, all up to dotted one, line of Capricorn. As you know, line of Capricorn passes through Australia all. So when it is passes through Northern Territory, so Northern Territory, this one is all Northern Territory, but Northern Territory and Southern Australia's boundary will be down to the line of Capricorn. Not too much gap, small gap, but this is the boundary line of Northern Territory and New South Wales. And from here, like Brisbane is also big state, so from here up to here, this one is Brisbane, Queensland. Okay, and then from this point to up to here we can see all this one, Murray River. So this is New South Wales to down Victoria. Okay, small, and one part is here near, you can say that on coast side, this is Canberra, and here this is our Tasmania. Tasmania is separate, so it's easy for us. It is easy for you people to mark the Tasmania. Okay, so it is all about states. So now come on the water bodies. All the oceans, which is surrounded by, Australia is surrounded by all the oceans. On western side, we have Indian Ocean. Okay, and then southern side we have Southern Ocean. Here we have Tasman Sea, And this is all South Pacific Ocean. This is Coral Sea and Solomon Sea on the corner. Up to, it is very up, Solomon Sea. It is also easy to remember for you. Coral Sea and up in the corner is Solomon Sea. This is Timor Sea. This is Gulf of Carpentria. Carpentria. So these things easy to remember. Indian Ocean on the west, Southern Ocean on the south, Timor Sea on the north. Okay, Gulf of Carpentria also north, and you can see it is, and its shape is different, so you can easily mark Gulf of Carpentria. Solomon Sea on one side in the corner, Coral Sea. This is South Pacific Ocean. This is Tasmania. These are all our water bodies. On western side Indian Ocean, north up Timor Sea, and one Gulf of Carpentria. Here on the corner of the north, Solomon Sea, Coral Sea, South Pacific Ocean. On the east part, Tasmanian Sea also, and down Southern Ocean. So these are the water bodies surrounded to the Australia. So now come on the other physical features of Australia. This is, I already told you, line of Capricorn. So now in Western Australia, you know, we have three main deserts. First is Great Sandy Desert here, upward to the line of Capricorn. This is Great Sandy Desert. Up to line of Capricorn, we have here Great Sandy Desert. This is almost in the Western Australia. So now down we have Gibson Desert. Down to the line of Capricorn. Remember it. Great Sandy Desert up to line of Capricorn, and Gibson Desert is down to a line of Capricorn. So it will easy to remember. Okay, this is Gibson Desert. Is some parts in South Australia also it covers. So now down, third one is Great Victoria Desert. Some parts of Western Australia and most part of Southern Australia. It covers 2 states. Okay, Great Victorian Desert. And here down you can see this arc. Remember this arc, this is Nullarbor Plain. Okay, so this is Nullarbor Plain. Remember in your brain this arc part is Nullarbor Plain. It is in the south part, also little some part in Western Australia. And down here we have Great Australian Bight. Down the arc we have Great Australian Bight. Bight means also an open bay. You can see, remember in mind, open bay, Great Australian Bight. It is down to the Nullarbor Plains. This is arc. Arc is Nullarbor Plain and down is Great Australian Bight. And now come on the eastern side. This is, as you know, this is our Great Dividing Range, Eastern Highlands. All these mountains, all. These are brown colors. I am showing. These are all our Eastern Highlands. And this one, Australian Alps, this one, and this one, Mount Kosciuszko. This is the highest mountain of the Australia, and its height is 2,230 meters. You can mark like a triangle, we use the triangle for the mountains, mark it, and then it is right, Mountain Kosciuszko. Kosciuszko, and its height is 2,230 meter. Kosciuszko. It is also in the Eastern Highlands. It comes from the its origin point is Australian Alps, and here you can see this is Murray River. It starts from also here Murray River. This is Murray River. Murray River creates a boundary between New South Wales and Victoria. This is down Victoria and this is New South Wales. So Murray River is a boundary between New South Wales and Victoria, and it's come here and come down up to here. This is Murray-Darling River basin also, and after that it's merged in the Southern Ocean. Darwin River comes from here also, and it's also join to the Murray River, and up here they make a river, Murray-Darling River Basin. Down here this is all Murray-Darling River Basin, and then after they end into Southern Ocean. Okay, so this is Great Barrier Reef. It starts with the, I told you, parallel to the Queensland. It's up to here. Okay, it's all Great Barrier Reef. Okay, and Great Artesian Basin, it starts from here, from Gulf of Carpentaria. It covers most of the Queensland, some parts of New South Wales also, and it's up to here. This is all Great Artesian Basin. Why it is called Great Artesian Basin? Because here we will get artesian well. As you know now, the definition of basin, a place or drained by a river. Same here, this artesian, this part of Australia is drained by artesian well. The irrigation, whatever water here we will get it is through artesian well. So due to it's called artesian basin. So it is Gulf of Carpentaria, this one, and it's come to up to here. Okay, I have sent you that map also. So some part of New South Wales it's also covered. Okay, so and here is we have Lake Eyre. Here we have one is Lake Eyre. Lake Eyre. Okay, this is Lake Eyre. I told you this is a salty lake. This is Lake Eyre. So this is all about Australians. One more feature. This is Bass Strait between the Melbourne and Victoria. Bass Strait. Bass Strait. This is Bass Strait. It is between, this is Melbourne, and this is Victoria, and this is Tasmania. Bass Strait it's a boundary between the Victoria and the Tasmania. This is Bass Strait. Okay. Okay, so it is all about physical features of Australia. If any left, we will discuss, and if you have any question about the map, you can message me. Okay, so thank you. And now do the map also in the exam nicely. Thanks.